Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be working or showing you honestly maybe one or two packaging ideas for this advent calendar that I'm putting together. And I'm kind of rushing because I have to get this out in the mail so that they get it in time for December. These are some of the ones I've already decorated. As you can see, all of these are with that 12 by 12 scrapbook paper that I showed you that I found on Tuesday morning, except for these right here are actually napkins, and because the sizes and the shapes are a little bit different, I needed something flexible. So I found these Christmas paper napkins last year after like an after Christmas sale, and just wanted to use those for like those oddly shaped items. So the rest of it is all that paper that you guys saw me haul. I have a couple here, and then look, I made a box out of the 12 by 12 paper. So I am going to move this aside, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. You don't need a lot. I am trying to make them pretty, but honestly, I'm not focusing on it too much because I'm rushing. That's the bottom line. Okay, so I found these paper bags. They're like the lunch bags. They're in the Kroger section. And I want to say you get 100 for like 97 cents. And so I got these, and I thought that these were like an easy solution. So I am going to honestly just stick this because it's perfect for it. I'm going to stick it in there. Sorry, it was catching onto the strip of this. So then I am going to fold this over, and I'm literally just going to use staples, you guys. So I'm just going to bring my little stapler, and you could put a couple. Okay, now what is going on with my stapler? Okay, there we go. And then for this flap right here, I'm just going to secure it with some Scotch tape. I've had this roll forever, and I hate using it because you literally have to search. I know, right? I could easily bend it over and it's gonna be visible for like the next time I use it, but I'm just going to press it down and fold these together like that, so that, and actually you could bring it over if you want, like that. Make a little flat. This side is so crappy, so let me cut this out. Okay, there you go. Then I should have folded it the other way. This is what happens when you're rushing. And it's a day after work also when I'm filming in the evening, and I usually don't do this. I like to do them when I'm actually off, you know? So let me go ahead and flip this the other direction so that at least I have a pretty side, like that. And we're going to try to staple in the same spots so that cover some of those holes. Okay, and now I have a flat surface here. I am going to be using, and I've already kind of sorted my ephemera. I'm going to show you guys. I've already sorted the ephemera that I wanted to use. It's right here off on the side. There we go, that's good. Okay, so I'm just using the skinnier tape for this one. And I'm not honestly worried about putting specific everything tied down. I'm not worried about that because more than likely this is going to go in the trash. Okay, so that's where you want to go. That's fine. And then we could put this one right here, and we're going to call it a day. Now I have been trying to, every once in a few decorations, I've been putting like thread, twine, not on every single one. But some of them do have it, some of them don't. I've been alternating. Some of them are in the tags, some of them are tied around, some of them have like the 4 pieces of thread, and then some of them just have just one around. Some of them have little bows with the twine. Some of them are wrapped differently this way. So it honestly is just using the same material so that it kind of flows together. You know what I mean? So from here, we can just go ahead and do another one of those styles. And I've been even messy with my bows, you guys. I'm like haven't even been worried about how my bows look. So like that, and there you have it. This is an example of using these paper lunchboxes, paper bags basically. Okay, for this other one, I decided to put these 2 together, and for this one I am going to be creating my own envelope. So I am going to cut my paper. Let me see, which ones do I want to use? I haven't used this one, so let's do this one. And for that, I am going to be bringing over my little punch board. I had this for quite a while. It's from Stamping Up. And so I roughly measured this already, and it is 6.5 by 5.5. So I am going to be looking for the card size, even though this isn't a card, and I'm gonna do a 5.5 by 6.5, which gives me this measurement right here, meaning that I'm gonna cut my paper 9 3/4 by 9 3/4. So I am going to be bringing over my paper cutter first. 9 3/4 by 9 3/4. Okay, and then I'm sure the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch also has the measurement, but if you guys look right here, so the card size is 5.5 by 6.5, which is right here at the tip of my finger. It tells me that my paper size needs to be 9 3/4 by 9 3/4, and my score line is going to be 4.5. So that means that I have to line my paper right here at 4.5. So what I'm going to do is super easy. This is so easy to use, you guys. I am going to line it up right here to 4.5, punch my hole, punch that, and then I'm going to take my score and I'm just going to run it down like so. And then you flip it over and you line this tip right here to that score line that you made. And so punch it again, and then again make your score line like so, and then you're gonna flip it, align that tip to that score line you just made, and you're gonna go like that on all sides like so. Hopefully I did it right, and there you go. Okay, so there's our envelope. Now you can just press and press, and when you slide this in here, it should fit perfectly in there like so. Okay, and that is going to be our decoration. This paper is so busy though, I don't know, I'm gonna have to pick a really dark number, which probably a red one to go with it. So now I'm just going to put a strip of paper here so that my flaps can be secured. And then do the same on this side. And you see I'm not going all the way. And then just flip this one. Okay, and we are going to put 2 pieces on this side. And that is how easy I've been trying to get these little gifts packed up for the advent calendar. And hopefully you guys like the idea. Okay, so now that we have our envelope, we can select our number. Let's do 20, I was gonna say 15. I thought it was 25 for some reason. And maybe this one will go. No, not yet. We could definitely do the tag. Yep. So let's add some thread to this one. And that is how simple this is, you guys. It's taking me a little bit of time, but again, come on, I've been wrapping 25. Or I'm trying to wrap up 25. So of course, it's not gonna be like, you know, like 30 minutes, an hour, but it's still doable to have them done in one day. So I'm just going to secure the tag down at an angle. Then I'm going to secure the belly of the 15 and maybe find like a little something that's gonna go right here, like a little sentiment or something. That's too much red. So let me see if I could find and tuck it in there. Yeah, that's good. Although you kind of lose the transition from that white of that. So let me see if I could find something. What about this one? Jolly. No, it's too red. Too much red. Happy holidays. Is that good? I don't know. Is it? Is it not? I should have sorted this a little bit better. This one says meet me under the mistletoe, but that's not for me. That's not for me to a girl. So obviously, here, I found a green one. I think we could use this one. I also have one that says Hello December. Yeah, let's do that one. And that is going to be it, you guys. I am going to sit here. I literally have like maybe 4 more to decorate, and then they will all be done, and I can get this to the post office. And I'll try to show you all of them once I'm done, so that you guys could see the rest of them. You saw a big chunk of them already, but that's it. That's how easy that is, you guys. So anyways, I'm gonna show you all of the packaging that we just did, but I had, oh, I know where it's at. Or is it? No, I still have number 25 out, and I haven't used it, and that's because I'm going to be adding a gift card. So that's gonna be the last gift for this, for the actual 25th day. So they're not in any order, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. This is just another little envelope. This is number 4. This is another envelope. This is number 23. Number 8, number 3, number 5, number 7, number 1, number 16, number 13, number 9, number 19, number 17, number 12, number 11. This is another pretty envelope. Number 20, number 10, number 21, number 2, number 14, number 22, number 15, number 9, number 18, and number 24. Number 24, I honestly could have done a better job because the packaging, of course you guys know what this is. This is like the bulky kit that I got from Tuesday morning, and I should have just gotten a small box or made my own box, but I thought that I could fit it and force it into an envelope, and it turned out a hot mess. But hopefully she appreciates it regardless. My favorite out of all the packaging I did is number 1, number 2 because of the simplicity of it, and then the big ponciera kind of like coming down on the envelope, and number 7. Very simple and very easy, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and looking at the ideas on how to put a very inexpensive advent calendar together for a crafty friend. I am going to do another one for a non-crafty friends, and so honestly I haven't even been to the stores, but nail polish, hair ties, just kind of like girly things like that, and I'm gonna try to find 25 pieces together so that I can make an advent calendar for a non-crafty friend as well. But anyways, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.